This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make journal format in Word. First, open a new document and navigate to the Layout tab. You will begin by setting up your page with specific margins, typically 1 inch on all sides. Next, select a professional font like Times New Roman or Arial, usually size 12. These initial steps are crucial for establishing a clean and readable foundation for your academic work, ensuring it meets common submission standards right from the start. Let's dive deeper into page layout. Go to the Layout tab, then Margins, and select Custom Margins. Here, set all 4 margins, top, bottom, left, and right, to 1 inch. This provides ample white space, making your document easy to read. Also, ensure your paper size is standard, such as letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches or a 4. Consistent page numbering, usually in the header or footer, is also essential for navigation. Now, let's refine your text. For the main body, choose a professional font like Times New Roman or Arial, setting the size to 12 points. Crucially, apply double spacing throughout your document to allow for reviewer comments. For headings and subheadings, use Word's built-in styles to maintain consistency. For example, a main heading might be bold and 14 points, while a subheading could be bold and 12 points, ensuring a clear hierarchy. Finally, let's cover references and visual elements. Always use a consistent citation style, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago, for all your references. Word's References tab can help manage these. When including figures or tables, position them as close as possible to where they are first mentioned in your text. Remember to provide clear, concise captions for every figure and table, typically numbered sequentially, to enhance clarity and understanding for your readers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.